Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the MURAD Heartleaf Gentle Resurfacing Serum. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing to my channel if you love product reviews. MURAD describes this as a gentle, ultra gentle resurfacing serum for sensitive skin with microdosed, I love microdosed, a glycolic acid that delicately polishes to improve radiance and smooth fine lines. The serum can be found at MURAD.com, Amazon, and Ulta Beauty. A 1 ounce unit like this retails for $65. MURAD suggests that you apply a thin layer of Heartleaf Gentle Resurfacing Serum to both your face and your neck, and you can follow it with the Heartleaf Calming Cream, which looks like this. I will be reviewing this soon for you, so do stay tuned for that. And this is sold separately. Before we talk about the ingredients within this formula, I did want to briefly chat about sensitive skin and sensitized skin. Sensitive skin is a genetic condition that can be made worse by irritants, pollutants, and extreme temperatures. Sensitive skin tends to show some redness, experience stinging, and tightness. Sensitive skin cannot be cured, but using the right skincare products can provide relief and also strengthen your skin. Sensitive skin needs a gentle, consistent skincare routine, focusing on hydration and of course avoiding irritants. You want to lean towards fragrance-free and alcohol-free skincare products. Sensitized skin, which I tend to suffer from sometimes, is a temporary state triggered by external factors such as harsh products, over-exfoliation, or environmental stress. Sensitized skin can affect anyone, no matter what your skin type. You can be oily and you can have sensitized skin. You can be dry and have sensitized skin. If your skin is sensitized, you may experience redness, irritation, itching, burning, very similar symptoms to sensitive skin. When treating sensitized skin, you want to focus on avoiding triggers such as exfoliants, and you want to focus on using gentler skin soothing products. So you'll essentially just want to repair your skin's barrier, which is what keeps your skin looking amazing. And sensitized skin can take forever to repair. You're listening to someone who has had to do it many a time. This formula is loaded with some of the best anti-aging, hydrating, skin soothing ingredients. I mean, I don't expect anything other than that when it comes to MURAD products. I love that this is fragrance-free, essential oil-free, and alcohol-free. Sensitive skin will love that. We see encapsulated microdosed glycolic acid that polishes away dead skin cells to improve skin texture and radiance without redness or discomfort. Glycolic acid visibly improves several signs of aging. It increases skin's hydration levels and smooths bumpy skin. Fermented heartleaf extract is a skin-soothing, hydrating antioxidant that can protect the skin from UVB burning rays. And according to Paula's Trace, it also has the potential to inhibit pathways leading to skin inflammation, which is incredible. The ceramides found in this formula can strengthen skin and improve the look and feel of dry, dehydrated skin, making skin feel supple. I first used this on March 30th, and I experienced a very mild tingle, and I reached for this because I still wanted to chemically exfoliate my skin as I continue to use tretinoin. I was using the Pharmacy Honey Glow Resurfacing Serum, but I wanted something a lot gentler. Pharmacy's Honey Glow, I think, is like 17% acid blend, so I thought, let's give this a go. Let's go to the other end of the spectrum. I found this serum to have a nice, lightweight, almost milky texture, and the skin absorbs this very easily. After 2 nights of use, I found that it gently softened rough texture on my chin and like upper lip area, and I also found this to be hydrating. Like the next day I was not feeling like tight at all. I was feeling smoother and hydrated. And after a few more nights of use, I did notice that skin, like the redness that I tend to experience from Tret, began to calm. I was enjoying the results of the serum so much that on April 9th, I began incorporating it into my daytime routine. I used it under the Outset's Firming Vegan Collagen Prep Serum, for which I will link my review up above. This combo gently exfoliated my skin during the day, and it kept it plump, balanced, and hydrated. I want to compare this to another MURAD favorite, the Cellular Hydration Repair Serum. I will link my review to this up above. To be honest, I love this entire range. I love the serum, I love the moisturizer, and I love the overnight mask. I still use all 3 when I feel like I need to hydrate, but most of all when I need to strengthen my skin's barrier, when I feel like I've taken things which is like a little too far. Cellular Hydration Barrier Repair Serum does contain fragrance, so sensitive skin, sensitized skin may want to perform a patch test prior to use. The scent is a barely there type of scent. The formula contains hexapeptide 9 bilberry omegas and hyaluronic acid that help to restore damaged skin. This formula also helps the skin to recover from over-exfoliation, 1 too many actives, and we see omegas 3 and 6. We also see hyaluronic acid. The serum is also formulated without any acids or exfoliants, only hyaluronic acid, so no glycolic acid here. Heartleaf Gentle Resurfacing Serum contains encapsulated microdosed glycolic acid paired with skin-soothing heartleaf ceramides and microalgae that help to reduce skin sensitivity, redness, dryness, itching, stinging, and skin tightening. So while the Cellular Hydration Repair Serum can be seen as a skin strengthening hydrating serum, the Heartleaf Gentle Resurfacing Serum can be seen as a gentle results driven exfoliating serum for sensitive skin. I don't think I prefer one over the other because I use them for different things. So it just depends on what you're focusing on. That you may want to try this for strengthening, or you may want to try this for very gentle resurfacing, hydrating, and calming. From daytime and nighttime use, I noticed slightly smoother skin. Skin felt more hydrated with continued use as well. The redness and irritation that I often see here was less noticeable, and this didn't necessarily give me the most intense glow I get from Honey Glow at 17% acid blend, but this resurfaced my skin enough for me to notice a change. However, that change was not intense, so if you're looking for an intense resurfacing, you are not going to find it here. I did notice like a slight luminosity here along my forehead and a smoother texture overall. My pores looked a little smaller. I love that although this formula is formulated for sensitive skin, my normal, very conditioned skin still noticed radiance, improved pore appearance, and smoother texture all while using this. This worked very well with the Outset Vegan Collagen Serum and the Outset's moisturizer, and this worked well with 3 different sunscreens such as the Versed sunscreen, the Drunk Elephant sunscreen, and the Frey Glow Me SPF 50, which gives the skin the most incredible glow. I did use this at night with the Outset's Nourishing Squalane Daily Moisturizer and the Calming Cream as well, all from this range, as well as the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Oil, and this worked very well. No pilling, just a nice radiant glow. My favorite way to use this was definitely at night, but I loved this so much that I found a way to sneak it into my daytime routine. So for nighttime use, I would cleanse with the Benefit Cleansing Oil, Drunk Elephant, a Marula, very gentle cleanser. And then I would use the Glow Recipe Pore Tight Toner, and then the Pharmacy Honey Milk Essence. 2 pumps of this on the face, and I would drag or add more to the neck and deck. Then I would use the Heartleaf Calming Cream, and then I would use the MURAD Retinol Resculpt Eye Treatment. You guys, I have been using that for nighttime use. I am almost out. I love this so much. I will link my review to that up above. I feel like if you are 40s, you need this in your life. I have noticed the most incredible skin around my eyes since I've been using that nightly. Okay, and then I would finish with the 4 drops of Drunk Elephant's Marula Oil. Skin was so glassy at night, and it wakes up smoother and just more balanced and juicy the next day. I think that anyone looking to take a break from strong chemical exfoliants, acid blends, would enjoy this, as you will still see results. I think that Sensittive will enjoy this the most, however, as it does contain fermented heartleaf extract that has both soothing and hydrating properties that comforts sensitive skin as well. And we also see ceramides that strengthen and soothe. Sensitive, oily combo, and even dry skin will enjoy this. My pros here, I love that this is gentle, but still results driven in true MURAD fashion. This is fragrance and essential oil and alcohol free, which is very important for sensitive skin. This gave skin a slight noticeable radiant glow with it and without it. This exfoliated the skin without irritation, excessive dryness, or flaking. And this did have a calming, soothing, reduced redness effect on my skin. I do not have any cons with this formula. I am rating this a 10 out of 10. I found this serum to be gentle but effective. So much so that I found myself using this both daytime and night. Other than feeling an improvement in my skin's texture, my favorite thing about this is kind of the immediate soothing effect it had on my skin as soon as I applied it. And it was especially nice after a stressful day, which I've had many of those lately. So let me know if you have used this product by MURAD in the comments down below. What were your results? Would you recommend this to others? Let us discuss in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, for spending some time with me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you learned something new today, and hit that notification bell. I do upload every Sunday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!